Hello everyone. Let's begin with the next task of week 3, that is task 13. Now in this task we will be introducing you the new operator, that is the conditional operator. Okay. Now the first program that we are going to do is to check whether the number is even or not with the help of conditional operator. Okay. So this is very simple. So basically what we have to do over here is we have to take a number from the user, and the program should check whether the number is even or not. If it is even, print it as even, or if it is odd, print it as odd. Okay, so I will just start by declaring a variable, let's say a, right? Then get the input from the user. So for that I will be requiring printf, enter a number, right? Then I will do scanf, because it is an integer I will do %d and ampersand sign, very important, and a. Okay, so now I have the data. Now I will show you how to use conditional operator. Okay, now basically conditional operator has a format something like this. Okay, so it has a percentage question mark symbol, okay, and a colon, and it ends with, as usual, the way everything else ends, it should end with a semicolon. Okay, so now here if you see, there are three different areas. Okay, this is, let us just say this is area X, this is area Y, and this is area Z. Okay, so there are these three places that are there between the conditional operator. Okay, so one is before the question mark, one is after the question mark and before the colon, and the third one is after the colon. Okay, so the first one is any condition, conditional statement that will either result in true or false. So this conditional statement will be evaluated and checked. If the condition is true, y will be executed, and if the condition is false, z will be executed. It is that simple. Okay, so let us say I have the number a. So let us start with the condition first. So my condition is, I want to check whether number is even or not. Okay, so I will simply check whether it is divisible by 2 or not. If it is divisible, then it is even. If it is not, it is odd. Okay, so I will just say %2. %2 means mod 2, and mod 2 means it is dividing it by 2 and then finding out the remainder. Okay, so if a divided by 2, the remainder is 0. So how to check whether the remainder is 0? You will check if equal to 0. Okay, so I'm just checking whether output of this particular statement is equal to 0. Okay, if this is true, then I will simply write printf in quotes even. Okay, and if it is false, I will simply write printf the number is odd. Okay, so it is that simple. This was a very simple program. I will just execute it now. And you can see, let's say we start with number 4. If I enter, it says it is even. Perfect. Again, if I run it, and this time I give the number 3 and it says it's odd. Okay, so I hope you understood how to use conditional operator. In the next task, we will see a bit more advanced use of conditional operator. See you in the next video.